Usturlab designs and manages every stage of the science communication processes for organizations. At Technofest, the world's largest aviation, space and technology festival, we organized scientific activities for Turkey's prominent institutions. We installed all interactive exhibits and conducted booth management. Usturlab's effective planning and operational success throughout the entire process enables thousands of children and adults to directly experience scientific phenomena. Children participating in our technology and science education workshops undergo brand new experiences in these fields. The exhibits we designed, inspired by daily life, workshops and trainings, games and interactive applications, open the doors of an exciting world to hundreds of visitors, whether children, youth or adults. Every process from design to installation and management during Technofest was realized by Usturlab in these experience areas. The participants conducted face-to-face workshops with scientists. With effective planning, right strategy and extensive operational experience, we kept inspiring people of all ages in science and technology. We know that science communication and education is one of the most fundamental dynamos of social development. With this very motivation, we design and implement innovative education models for all age groups, for public and private institutions. We offer science-centered design, implementation and consultancy services to bring science together with all individuals in society. With its digital and mechanical exhibition installations, interactive games, educational platforms and reproductions, Usturlab addresses people of all ages. Try, fail, learn, try again and walk confidently into the future.